Step 2. Spinning inside crescent kick. From on the chamber position, you are going to apply the spin together with an inside crescent kick. The inside crescent kick is a bit easier than the hook kick and ideal to get used to the spinning motion. You turn your body into chamber position. Look over your left shoulder to the front. Now you are kinda twisted like a steel spring. Release this tension and swing your left leg across in front of you. Like a standard inside crescent kick, just that you add the turning motion in the beginning. Keep your arms close to your body and put the kicking leg back into the starting position. Repeat this motion until you feel comfortable.
You